Hello and welcome to my video. I had the idea of a poster with a pun on luxury and cherry. This is the 10th part of the series. In this episode, I'll make a black outline for all cherries. To do so, I duplicate the cherry and dissolve all groups. Then I merge all paths into one. For a strong contrast, I choose black as fill color. Then I pull the blackened area back over the cherry. Activating snapping gets the shape perfectly into position. I move the black shape to the background and repeatedly use Ctrl, Shift, and 9 to expand the outline. I repeat this process for all cherries. As I don't want you to get bored too much, I'll speed up the video. To get a constant thickness, I count each expansion. If you don't mind, I'll add a little tip. If you don't move the duplicate cherry, you don't even need to use snapping. And that's it for this part. Thank you for watching. I hope you check in again.